monitor chair. Interesting indicators though. Oh, Alex is gonna have a field day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know what this is. Traction. No brand anywhere. I'm looking. I hear like a little clicking sound. I don't know what this is. No valve? I don't know.
7th floor, going down.
Oh, so God, there's one on every floor. Yeah, no brands anywhere. No inspection certificate either, so that doesn't help. Nice cabs. Of course, you got your lovely monitor TR fixtures. Love those. Hey, you hear a click. You hear that? I don't know what these were. Definitely not Burlington. Could have straight up Dover. I don't think so. This didn't look like a Dover. I'll have to look at the
Lower
analytics.
lobby, going up.
Do you know the name?
That's mileage.
Going up.
I don't think I put this one. I don't even know. Let's take. I forget which one I was on. Some guy was just asking. He was trying to look for something. I don't know what he was looking for. This might be the same one. I don't know. I'll send you down to L. Transferring up here. We're not transferring back in the basement.
7th floor, going down.
Oh, damn it. Close, thank you. Doors are out of alignment. Access. These are killer. Oh, it's not. That would actually be funny if it was. Does this say local alarm? That's cool. I don't think I've actually ever seen that. Okay. It's the first script though too. One's here. Yes, this one. Didn't write this one. No, I read the third one. We'll go to L because don't want to disturb anyone on the basement. This one looks a lot like the other one. Yeah, I don't want to draw too much attention. So does it want to go down or does it want to go up? Okay, good, we're going up. We'll transfer in the lobby so that way we can try to get the one that way. And so I can get a picture of that indicator. At least I think, I don't know if I can transfer there, we'll see. Again, I still have to look at the interlocks and stuff because I don't know what these are. This could be armor. Just a guess.
Seventh floor, going down.
GAL equipment, I believe. Says it wants to go down, so yeah, we'll take it down. Back to L. And then send it wherever it wants to go. Of course, your New York City elevator fixtures. Here's your indicator. Camera doesn't like it apparently. These are nice. Okay, I don't know where it wants to go. Yeah, I'll try to ring the lantern.
Lobby.
basement.
Going up.
Send you up. Here goes that one. And leave. Oh, it doesn't light up there. See where it goes. Alright, we're going up. This one's a lot brighter, so I definitely done it. And it has a different security camera, so. It's got the cool lanterns I like. And then they go back down to LL anyway, so.
7th floor, going down.
All three are overall a 1 out of 10 rating. In DT anyway. Alright, if there's someone down here, I'm just leaving. I want to get it in the care though.
Lower lobby, going up.
Oops.
Thank you.
Go ahead. At least I know that light's up. I think it left. Yeah, it did. Well, let's see which one comes. Oh. No. I'll let it close and I'll ring it again. Probably the last time I'm doing it. I like that indicator a lot. Yeah, let's ring it again. I like that. Alright. And that'll be all.